the video is going to be about why do we learn English. If you are interested in such topic, just keep watching. Here we are. It's the beginning of the video. Welcome to English with Aber YouTube channel, and this is the first video here. And let's start. We tell you that this video is going to be about why do we learn English. So there are many reasons that we learn English, and there are many reasons that English is so important nowadays life. English is the first language for 5 countries. Also, English is spoken by 360 million speakers as a first language, and also it's spoken by 1.35 billion speakers around the world. So English is very important because it's worldwide, also it's an international language. The second thing, schools. As students in schools, we study English from our primary grades and the other grades. So in the school, it's important and it's taught in more than 130 countries around the world. So they are teaching English in their schools. Okay, after that we have English for college students. As a college students, you're gonna study part of English that is related to your field. If you are studying business, you're gonna study English for business. A lot of terms that you're gonna use in many different fields in English. So the third thing that I'm going to speak about is scholarships. Scholarships are really important for students that they want to get rid of the situation in their countries, because sometimes in our countries the situation is so bad. So we search about scholarships in order to get a better education. So you need English indeed. If you are studying BA or MA or PhD, you really need English in your major and in your study at college. After we finish and graduate out of college, and then we search about jobs. They ask us about English. Do you have English skills? Do you have a good English skills? According to your skills and your level in English, you're gonna be accepted. So it's required in many jobs, either in your country, your homeland, or in the other countries. It's important in your career. If you want to find a job, you need English indeed. Why do we need English? It's also for traveling. If you are a traveler and you want to travel around the world, you need English to speak to others in the world. And there are a lot of speakers around the world, and you need English very importantly to speak to them as well, to communicate with others. So I think and I guess I gave you a lot of points that this is why you really want to learn English, and so easily. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get more videos, educational videos about English. And if you are interested, you can follow me on social media, on Facebook and on Instagram. I will be making accounts there in order to give you weekly pictures that consists of information that you need them in your life. That's all for this video. See you in the upcoming video. Peace.